We're drawing four-fingered cartoon hands on my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, which begs the question, why do so many cartoon characters have four-fingered hands? Well, there are many factors as to why it became the norm here in America, but the best answer is probably the simplest. It made drawing hands easier, which made it faster. And well, you know what they say, time is money. In the early days of animation, studios weren't the big money-making giants of today. They scraped by working out of warehouses and converted garages, including Disney Studios. If they didn't get their features finished, in the can, and out to distributors and theaters, they didn't get paid. To that end, many of the early animators used simple circular shapes in designing most of their characters. That included the palms of the characters' hands. Trying to squeeze 5 fingers on that round palm made it difficult to draw, and according to Walt Disney, made Mickey Mouse's hands look like a bunch of bananas. Seriously, imagine Mickey with 5-fingered hands. What might have been anatomically correct just looked weird, and who cares if it's anatomically correct? We're talking about a talking mouse who wears pants, shoes, and white gloves. Go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on drawing 4-fingered hands and hundreds of other lessons.